Hey y'all, come with me to El Dragon, this bar restaurant that has three really great pool tables. They have this really great art area with this beautiful mural, and just the setup is really nice. It's very expansive, it feels very open. The food, I mean, I had the tacos and they're like pretty much authentic street Mexican tacos and they're amazing. So anyway, here's the three pool tables. They all have purple felt. Maybe the color is off just from the thing, but these tables are really fast. And I ended up playing a pool league match here against my friend Dwayne. Hey, Dwayne. Anyway, I lost to him. And not to say that I enjoy losing. I mean, I don't think anybody really enjoys losing, especially, when you feel you're capable of beating a match. But Dwayne's a really great player, and I've played against him previous years when I used to be in the league, and so this was my first time playing against him again after years. It's always really good if you're gonna lose against someone that is a good opponent, because at least for me in this match, I learned a lot, not only about my shooting and my comfort level with shooting with somebody of his caliber, but also just watching him shoot. It was just probably like what I needed, in this match. So, like I said, I don't normally celebrate losses, but I do like to acknowledge when I play up against a player who not only is humble, but also I can learn from. And in this case, that was the case. I lost, and I was okay to have lost to someone of his caliber. This was my first time at El Dragon. The tables are really amazing, and I wish I had recorded more of our matches. I think we played 3 matches. I think it was a 2-3 race. I think I needed 2 and he needed 3 or something of the sort. But yeah, this is it right here. Me losing and shaking his hand and taking it like a champ. So yeah, if you ever get a chance to go to El Dragon, tables are amazing. The food, highly recommend. The space is just a really great space. The only thing I will have a gripe about is it was really cold. And I don't know why the heater wasn't working, but that's probably the only concern I had. It was just too cold.
I'm playing too bad.
I really enjoy playing against you. Okay, it's a good game. I enjoy playing against him. He's a good shooter.
Yeah.